Hello everyone! Welcome back for another vlog. So for today's vlog guys, ay nagluto na naman po ako ng piniritong bangus, my favorite. Here we go! Charan! Yan po guys, piniritong boneless bangus na galing pa po ng Pangasinan. There you go! With matching chop suey na naman po na may shrimps, may chicken, may cauliflower, may broccoli, may red pepper, at may mushroom pa guys with repolyo. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Halina po kayo. Kain na po tayo. Ako'y nagugutom na. Alright. So thank you for watching again guys. I hope you like my ulam. Please follow my page for more videos. Bye!